What kind of rod should I start with? What's a basic trout rod? What should your first rod be? My suggestion would be a 9-foot 5-weight rod. It'll do just about anything for you. You can throw nymphs with indicators, you can throw streamers, you can throw big dry flies and small dry flies. I'm standing here in a river, beautiful river, and I've got a lake behind me, and I can fish all this water, the lake and the river, or a small stream if I want, with this 9-foot 5-weight. First of all, 5-weight is a great all-round line size. It'll deliver the size trout flies that we use 95% of the time. 9-foot rod is a great length. It's got enough reach so that you can hold your line off the water if you have to sometimes, and if you need to mend line, a 9-foot is a good length. Yet the 9-foot length is really good in the wind. You can get to a longer rod, but a longer rod has more rod and more line in the air, and if you have problems with wind, the longer rod's going to give you more trouble. So the 9-footer is just a great length. So if you want one trout rod to start, or you just want one trout rod to use nearly every place, a 9-foot 5-weight is going to do it. It's the rod for you.